Now, for months, we've been looking into the background of Tenor Health, the company that bought Sharon Regional Hospital with the hope of reopening it soon.
Questions about a lack of experience and money are among the issues surrounding the group, which is still in its infancy.
Now, for the first time, that company's CEO, Radha Savitala, is answering to those concerns to Kaitlyn McCarthy. So, Kaitlyn, what was she able to tell you?
Jerica Madison, the CEO, says despite these concerns, she's confident in Tenor Health's ability to sustain the hospital.
The doors on Sharon Regional Medical Center remain locked a month after Tenor Health Partners assumed operations of the hospital. While the Community and Medical Properties Trust both gave $10 million to help reopen the hospital, Tenor Health did not bring money to the table. Even so, the CEO of Tenor Health feels confident in their ability to sustain the hospital.
So in our budget, we've been able to look at that where we see the accounts receivable, where our spending is. So we feel comfortable we're covered in that.
Tenor Health's past, or rather lack of past, also raised some concern. Savitala was a consultant for Thomasville Regional Medical Center, a hospital that closed 5 months after her involvement. The hospital was given a foreclosure notice prior to her involvement.
We brought in physicians, we brought in an academic medical center that was going to be a partner. But, there was a lot of negativity and strained relations between the city and the hospital and various ownerships.
When asked how she can assure the community that Sharon Regional won't share the same fate, Savitala pointed out the differences in the situations.
Here we have the working capital, right? In Thomasville, we were trying to get working capital while the hospital was open. Here we started the project with having that working capital committed, which is a very different scenario, as you can imagine.
Savitala says she has an arrangement to buy the building from MPT, but does not have any timeline as to when. Instead, she's focusing on the hospital reopening. The final step before the doors can reopen is to get approval from the Department of Health. Savitala tells me that the goal to reopen the hospital is February 14th, but there is still no set date. With more local news, I'm Kaitlyn McCarthy.